Hello everyone.
Hello.
So today we are going to read sound of
You.
you. Very good. So start. First point. Harsh, you read.
The sun in the bright today.
Very good. Vaishnavi, second line.
The cup is full of milk.
Very good. Shavi.
The bug is on the rug.
Number 4. Harsh.
The pup in the can run fast.
Very good. Vaishnavi, number 5.
She got the cake.
Very good. Shavi, number 6.
The bus is to the stop.
Very good. Harsh, number 7.
The tub in the bird
Phonic sound. Wa. Ja. Shavi, help.
water.
Vaishnavi, help.
Yes. With
What is it? With. Alright, with.
water.
Done? Point number 8, Vaishnavi.
The earth is marble of wood.
The heart is made of
Wood.
wood. Number 9, Shavi.
This has a big drum.
Very good. Number 10, Harsh.
The nut is the first what is this? Chavi?
Shavi, help.
Is full. Right? The full from tray from the tree.
Alright, read again, Harsh. Read again.
The nut from the
The nut
fell
fell
from the tree.
tree. Very good. Clap for yourself, everyone. Very good, very good. So we will meet in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Very good.